Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share my hashtag Artist Journal Prompt 2024 that is hosted by Life with Patti. Every Sunday she releases another prompt for you to do. This week's is stickers, week 3. I'm catching up, so go to that hashtag and see all the wonderful ladies that have been doing this before me. Here we go. So on these pages, I painted my backgrounds. And I have Van Gogh stencils, and I kind of just threw some together. I kind of gave you the Van Gogh vibe. And I put all Van Gogh stickers. And we got Van Gogh on a van, Follow Your Art, an ocean scenery of starry night, Van Gogh, Let It Go, Let It Go, Van Gogh. It's Gah. A handprint, the heart, the flowers, the sunflowers, 3 of his paintings. Starry Night, sunflowers, and I can't remember the name of that one. And here's Van Gogh with Starry Night above his head, a van, and then one of his sceneries. And this is just some letters. I don't know what it is, but it's got Van Gogh on it. So there's that page. And this side was funny because I did it because I knew I wanted to do them different. And I had the page done, and I was going through my miscellaneous stickers, as I call it. It's a drawer full of odd stickers that, you don't have the packaging for anymore, or you got 1 or 2 left. I have a drawer for that. And I thought this would be a good opportunity. Well, I had some down. And I'm like, man, I should have used my Lisa Franks. So I pulled them all off and put them in a different art journal. And I wanted Lisa Frank in here. I came across such a good deal on Lisa Frank stickers in a big, big book. And then some coloring books at St. Vincent de Paul. So this is my side. Of course, this is my paper, my own paper. And that's that side of stickers. You're going to see probably a lot in this book of my mixed media backgrounds. I love doing mixed media, so 90% of my backgrounds I usually do my own. So you will probably more likely see that. So here we go. One more look. Van Gogh. And then Lisa Frank. So please go check out hashtag Artism Journal Prompt 2024 hosted by Life with Patti. Thanks for watching. And thank you again, Patti, for coming up with this. This is such a cool idea. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.